All right, here's the newest project. Always got projects. So I picked this up for a decent deal, so I'm gonna clean it up. Everything's here, it all works. But my plan is to switch out the seat. I'm gonna clean the inside, try to get some lights rigged in here, and then just pretty much overall fix it up because there's some light that still shines through in the back and stuff. But other than that, for the price I paid, not bad. Should work. A little old, but it's all here. That's all that matters. So stay tuned. So for the first part here, this needs to be fixed. Some little regular Phillips head screws. We're gonna use these all the way around. So I'm not gonna show you the video, but they work pretty well. So we're gonna do that all the way around it. It'll fix this. I mean, I just gotta line the holes back up, so it's not that hard. So provide an update when that's done. It's a quick update, about halfway through. It's going pretty easy. This is gonna be a lot better than these tiny little screws that were in there. So I'll finish this up and then should be good to go. All right, first update done. Got these done all the way around, threw a couple extra in, but should be good to go. Next will be the seat. Ignore this. This is me trying to paint it. Don't use spray paint, but we'll go from there.